tour our vehicle. Oh my god, look at these lights. Seriously. I need to hurry. Oh wow, look at all this. The elevator is so bright, you know what? What the? Okay, get out. Oh shit.
Don't do that.
I was gonna see if the door is open. Sorry. Let's go back down. You know what, when you press the button, he's like, oh, can you go? Can you press it please now, quick? Press
Which
it.
one?
Just stop, don't press it too. Yo, this is gonna be serious, but we're gonna do it quick. And look, it's broken. Someone needs to fix this. Fix this. Repair it. Need some repairing. Okay, we're off. Bye bye, elevator. Nice red elevator.